Hello and welcome to cryptocurrency mobile mining and trading. Right now we are going to cover on how to verify your migration wallet. And as I speak now, you can see my phone on the screen. And these are the steps that you are going to follow right away so that you may not miss the next migration. So this is all about having your passphrase and access to your email. So what we are going to start with is you go and copy your passphrase from wherever you saved it, or you read and type it here if you have it on the paper. Let's start with going to your mainnet. Then when you click right this tab here, it will take you to this page. You go to number 3 and you paste your passphrase. You click on this number 3. When you click on this number 3, it will bring you to this page. Here you are going to paste the passphrase. After pasting here, click confirm your wallet. When you confirm your wallet, it will tell you email confirmation has been sent. So you will go to your email address. The email address is the one which you use to register on Pi Network. So the next step is you go to the email and check the email which has come from Pi Network. And this one reads Pi Network confirm your migration wallet. So open this email address. When you open that email address, it will have a link here saying verify your migration wallet. You will just click on this link only. Don't go elsewhere. Click this link only. Verify your migration wallet. When you click that one, it will start opening Pi app, and in few seconds it will tell you verification successful, and you will have finished everything that was required to verify your migration wallet. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to cryptocurrency mobile mining and trading. Hit the bell button, like the video, comment on the comment section, and we meet on the next video. Bye bye.